I'll read this question out because it got cut off. I'll read it nice and slowly. It says that the shaded portions of the tables below, so the shaded portions are these darkened areas right here, represent the amounts or money counted by Sean and Trey. So Sean and Trey, and these shaded regions represent how much money they counted. If you look at the key, they tell you that every time you see a square, that's equal to 0.01. If you think about what that is, that's just 1 penny, right? Or 1 cent. So every square is 1 cent. Mary counts her own money and finds that her amount of money is greater than Sean's, but less than Trey's. Which amount of money can Mary have? So let's figure out how much Sean has and how much Trey has, and then see what our options are that are between those two numbers. So how much money does Sean have? Well, you can count individual squares here, but what I'd say is I would look at this shape and say, oh, this is a rectangle. And it's 3 high, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 wide. So if I split the amount of money that Sean made into a rectangle here and one there, well, this is just 2 cents, right? And this is 30 cents because 3 times 10 is 30. So altogether we have 30 plus 2.01s or cents, so that's just 32 cents. And that's what Sean has. So Mary has to have more than, it says greater than Sean's. So look at the choices, we can cross out A. 30.32 here is equal to what Sean had, but not greater than it. So that's out. How much does Trey have? Well, we have 4 rows, and again, it's the same shape, so it's 10 wide, 4 by 10. And up here we have a smaller rectangle, which is just 4 cents. So 4 times 10 is 40, plus 4 cents here. Trey has 44 cents. So Mary has to have some mystery number that's bigger than 32, right? This symbol means bigger than, and at the same time less than 44. So I'm going to cross D out. It says 47. That's more than what Trey had, but we need something that's less than what Trey had. I'm going to cross out 44 because that's equal to what Trey had, right? 44 cents, that's what this means. And the only answer left is B. And that makes sense, right? 39 cents is more than 32. It's more than what Sean had. This is Mary right here. But it's less than what Trey had. So that works nicely. All right, thanks.